For this experienced designer, her home was already special, but her kitchen, it didn't quite feel like hers. She envisioned a space that was timeless, functional, and filled with personality, but finding the right team to bring that vision to life wasn't easy. She didn't want trends, she wanted something uniquely her own. With Kitchen Design Solutions, she found the perfect partnership. Together, they crafted a space that blended classic elegance with modern functionality. Inspired by her grandmother's kitchen, mission-style cabinetry with vintage latches added warmth and nostalgia, while custom hardware from England infused just the right touch of whimsy. Beyond beauty, this kitchen was designed for effortless living. Improved lighting, a thoughtful drop zone, and seamless organization made every detail work in harmony. Now, the homeowner says each morning brings her joy as she steps into a kitchen that finally feels like hers. The result was undeniable. Her kitchen truly feels like home. Kitchen Design Solutions didn't just renovate her kitchen, they helped turn her house into a home.